guys, welcome back to Tour Thing. Today I will show you how to properly run in Gorilla Tag. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start off with the basics. So first, you want to have a big flat surface and like a big open area to run around. And second, you want to move parallel with the ground with your hands. And third, if you want to have more momentum, you want to like swing your arms back to get faster. So yeah, let's go into a public match and yeah, let's see how we get away. In a public server, now let's see how fast we can go. Alright, pretty fast. I mean, get away from someone. Yeah. Next video I'll show you how to properly how to wall run. Thank you guys so much for getting my last YouTube short to 75 views. That's incredible. Thank you guys so much, and let's do that again in this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.